come go along with me. Polly, pretty Polly, come go along with me before we get married, some pleasure to see. My mind is to marry and never to part. My mind is to marry and never to part. The first time I saw you, it wounded my heart. He led her over mountains and valleys so deep. He led her over mountains and valleys so deep. Pretty Polly mistrusted and then began to weep. Oh, Willie, little Willie, I'm afraid of your ways. Willie, little Willie, I'm afraid of your ways. The way you've been round when you lead me astray. Oh, Polly, pretty Polly, your guess is about right. Polly, pretty Polly, your guess is about right. I dug on your grave over half of last night. He went out to the jailhouse and what did he say? He went out to the jailhouse and what did he say? I've killed pretty Polly, I'm trying to get away.
Let me be your solid dog, or I won't be your little man at all. Honey, let me be your solid dog. Standing on the corner with a low down blues, a great big hole in the bottom of my shoe. Honey, let me be your solid dog. Let me be your solid dog, or I won't be your little man at all. Honey, let me be your solid dog. Look at your style, I know you with a run-down slipper and a broke-hand shoe. Honey, let me be your solid dog. Let me be your solid dog, or I won't be your little man at all. Honey, let me be your solid dog. Down in the wild with a sitting on a log, singing a song called Solid Dog. Honey, let me be your solid dog. Let me be your solid dog, or I won't be your little man at all. Honey, let me be your solid dog. We pulled the trigger and a gun said go, the shot rung over in Mexico. Honey, let me be your solid dog. Let me be your solid dog, or I won't be your little man at all. Honey, let me be your solid dog.
All the good times are past and gone. All the good times are old. All the good times are past and gone. Darling, don't you weep for me. with me. For if ever I had a friend in this world, you've been a friend to me. All the good times are past and gone. All the good times are old. All the good times are past and gone. Darling, don't you weep for me. See that distant train come whirling around a bend. It's taken me away from this old town to never return again. All the good times are past and gone. All the good times are old. All the good times are past and gone. Darling, don't you weep for me. Hug me closer, mother, closer. Put your arms around me tight. For I'm cold and tired, dear mother, and I feel so strange tonight. Something hurts me here, dear mother, like a stone upon my breast. And I wonder, mother, wonder why it is I cannot rest. All the day while you were working, as I lay upon my bed, I was trying to be patient and to think of what you said just before the lamps were lighted, just before the children came, while the room was very quiet. I heard someone call my name. Come up here, my little Bessie. Come up here and live with me, where little children never suffer through the long eternity. In the silent hour of midnight, in the silence calm and deep, lying on her mother's bosom, little Bessie fell asleep. Now up yonder at the portal that are shining very fair, little Bessie now is hindered by the Savior's loving care.
Oh, how I'd like to be upon a windy mountain, where the treetops scrape the sky. Then I would forget all my worries and my troubles. I'll just let the wind blow them by. Oh, how I love the sound of the wind when it's howling. Oh, it blows the blues away.
It makes me forget the girl that I'm loving. Lets me forget until another day. Let me hear the leaves on the trees when they're singing. Just a moment of relief is all I care. For I've got no sorrow, heartaches, or sadness, as long as I can see the trees that sway. Oh, how I'd like to be upon a windy mountain, where the treetops scrape the sky. Then I would forget all my worries and my troubles. I'll just let the wind blow them by. Oh, my friends, bury me away up on the mountain, where that old wind will always blow. For I want to rest alone on the mountain, with the howling wind that I love so. Tell my old lover, in case you should see her, just how much I love her she'll never know. And that I'm going to rest away upon the mountain, where that howling wind will always blow. Oh, how I'd like to be upon a windy mountain, where the treetops scrape the sky. Then I would forget all my worries and my troubles. I'll just let the wind blow them by.
Down at the end of Memory Lane, there's many who have walked it in gladness. I was the one who walked it back. I walked it alone in sadness. I received a letter from my love. I opened it and this is what it said. I'm sorry if I hurt you, but now it is too late for another man, my darling, I have wed. I remember her sweet little face and her little freckled nose, with her golden hair hanging down her back, tied with a big blue ribbon bow. We were buds and chums together there.